Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make this text background kind of edit on CapCut PC. So the text will be in the background of the main object. So I'm just going to copy and paste these two videos. Then on the top one, actually I am going to add in the text first. Sorry, I'm just going to add the text first somewhere. Oops. Somewhere visible, like LO and then VE. I'm just going to put it here. You can also add in effects if you want. I'm just going to leave it very plain. Then I will export that. And once you're done with that, you're going to remove the text. I'm just going to wait for it to export. So remove the text here, and then I am going to put this on top, and then I'm going to import the video that we just exported, and then I'm going to put this under like so. Then on the second video, you're going to go to cutout and you're going to select auto cutout, and that is basically it. As you can see, the text is behind them. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!